right, let's talk about one of the most powerful yet kind of overlooked investing strategies out there, dollar cost averaging. Now, I know the name sounds a little complicated, but the idea behind it is so simple, so practical, and honestly, it could completely change how you think about building wealth. Let's dive in. So I know what you're thinking, because it's what we all think at first. Wait a second, shouldn't I just wait for prices to be low before I buy anything? I mean, it makes perfect sense, right? Buy low, sell high. It's the golden rule of investing. But here's the catch. That simple, logical idea often leads investors straight into a trap. And that's what we call the market timing trap. It's this super tempting belief that you or anyone can perfectly predict the market's absolute lowest point to jump in. And while it sounds brilliant on paper, in the real world it almost always turns into a stressful and pretty costly guessing game. Here's the fundamental problem with that whole idea. You just don't know when prices are truly low. You have absolutely no way of knowing if a price is about to fall even further or if it's about to suddenly take off. Seriously, even the pros with all their fancy tools get this wrong all the time. Trying to pinpoint that perfect moment isn't just stressful. It often means you either miss out completely or you make some really expensive mistakes. So, okay, if trying to time the market is a trap, what's the alternative? Well, it turns out the answer is a simple, systematic approach that we call dollar cost averaging, or DCA for short. The real beauty of this strategy is just how simple it is. DCA is literally just investing a fixed chunk of money at regular intervals, say once a month, no matter what the headlines are saying or what the market is doing. You're not trying to be a genius, you're just following a system. It really just boils down to these three simple steps. First, you pick a fixed amount you know you can stick with. Maybe it's $100. Second, you choose a regular schedule, like the first of every month. And third, and this is the most important part, you commit to that plan and you ignore all the day-to-day noise from the market. Okay, so that's the what. But how does this simple little habit actually turn into an effective strategy? Let's take a look at how this actually works to your advantage over the long run. This, right here, is the magic of the whole system. Let's stick with our $100 example. When the market is flying high and prices are up, your $100 buys you fewer shares of whatever you're investing in. But, and this is key, when the market dips and prices are low, that same $100 automatically buys you more shares. And what's the result of this? Well, over time, the process naturally averages out your purchase price. You end up with a really balanced entry point without ever having to stress about whether you bought at the perfect time. You completely remove the guesswork from the equation. But you know, the benefits here aren't just mathematical. In fact, I'd argue the biggest advantages are actually psychological. This is why I love to think of DCA as your own personal investing superpower. I mean, just think about the psychological edge this gives you. It forces you to build the discipline of investing consistently. It takes emotion, which is the #1 enemy of good returns, out of the equation. It simplifies all your decisions down to just one thing, sticking to your plan. And maybe best of all, it completely reframes how you look at a market crash. It's no longer a crisis, it's a sale. See, an investor who tries to time the market is constantly battling with this one super stressful question. It creates all this anxiety and analysis paralysis, which often means they end up never investing at all. But the DCA investor, you get to ask a much simpler, way more empowering question. It's not about trying to predict the future, it's just about executing your plan. The focus shifts away from the things you can't control, like the market, to the one thing you absolutely can control, your own consistency. Now, to be fair, DCA is a fantastic strategy, but it's not the only way to do things. So to give you the full picture, let's quickly compare it to the main alternative, which is lump sum investing. So let's break this down. DCA is all about consistency and managing your risk, which makes it absolutely perfect for beginners or anyone who's just investing a part of their regular paycheck. Lump sum investing, on the other hand, which is putting all your money in at once, that relies on confidence and timing. Now, statistically, if the market is going up, a lump sum will often do better, but it comes with the huge risk of investing everything right before a big crash. DCA just smooths all of that risk out. And this brings me to probably the most important warning I can give you. A really common and critical mistake is to start a DCA plan, but then get scared and stop it when the market drops. This completely defeats the entire purpose. The power of the strategy comes from continuing to buy when prices are low. That's when you're getting the best deals. And that, right there, really brings us to the ultimate takeaway from all of this. The secret sauce, the magic ingredient, is simply the power of being consistent. Look, dollar cost averaging is not flashy, it's not exciting, it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, but you know what? It works. And it works because its simplicity helps you stay consistent. And staying consistent is what helps you avoid the big, emotional mistakes that can really wreck your long-term results. In the end, it all comes down to this one simple truth. In investing, consistency is what creates results. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed or maybe just scared of making the wrong move, remember this strategy. Just start, stay consistent, and let the system do the heavy lifting for you over time. Thanks for tuning in.